Hey guys, Nothing is prepared to launch new smartphone Nothing Phone 2A for a mid-range smartphone, and this is the first cat look Nothing Phone 2A. According to the leak, the Nothing Phone 2A model number is A142. The animation shows that the phone will be follow the Nothing design language and the rear camera will be adopt a horizontal design, and the phone also come with 3 glip lighting. Nothing Phone 2A will be Nothing fast smartphone using MediaTek chipset. The phone comes with MediaTek Dimensity 7200 SoC. Expected the phone comes with 8 and 12GB of RAM up to 256GB storage. And in the display department, the phone comes with 6.7-inch Full HD Plus AMOLED 120Hz refresh rate display. And the phone also comes with dual camera setup in the back, a 50MP main sensor, 8MP ultra wide, and the front is come with single 16MP selfie camera, and the phone powered by 4920 mAh battery. And the good thing is, out of the box, the phone running Android 14 with Nothing OS 2.5. It is expected to be announced at the MWC event 2024. The Nothing Phone 2A is expected to be priced lower than Nothing Phone 2, which retail for a $600 in USA. So that's pretty much for today's video, and if you found this video informative, make sure to hit the like button and also subscribe my channel for more content like this. As always, thanks for watching, and I will be catching the next one. Take care. Allah Hafiz.